welcome to what I like to call Triple T, Tech Tip Tuesday. Unfortunately, Rick can't be with us today because, you know, he's beat up, buried with incredible amounts of calls, texts, and emails over this new C8 and the, you know, the new Z06 is getting ready to launch. So we decided to do one without him. So I'm Rick today. This is Chuck,
Hi.
or AKA Nate. Welcome in. All right, I got a few announcements for you guys that we got from General Motors. The first one is General Motors and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration issued a product safety recall for a small number of C8 Corvette Stingrays. They were mistakenly shipping with missing half shaft bearings. I know everybody's, you know, kind of freaking out about this, but they've caught it. Believed to be only 22 of them affected, and that's a small number for the 2021, 22 model. So what'll happen once those 22 are recognized, letters will be sent out, they'll come to the dealership, we'll replace the half shaft, everything will be good. If you're concerned about it, I have a website here, it's called mygm.com recalls. You can go on, type in your VIN, see if it pertains to your vehicle. Other than that, it's all good. Small percentage. That's highlighted there, small percentage. All right, the other thing I've got for you today is a shutdown of the marketplace as GM removes the mobile app on the marketplace as the end of March of 2022. As we continue to evaluate our services and customer needs, the marketplace service is being discontinued. We will be removing the marketplace from both vehicle apps and My Chevy app, My Buick, My GMC, My Cadillac mobile apps by the end of March of 2022. The removal of the app from the view or vehicle phone will occur automatically, and there's no need for the customer to take to the dealer or any action. So just be aware of that. Members can also contact the call center with any questions, 1-888-466-7827. That's all I have for updates. Nate or Chuck, what do you have?
We have viewer questions. So the first question is, hi Rick, love your channel. Can you point to me in the video to how to reconnect and disconnect a battery? So you wanna, when you're disconnecting the battery, you wanna take the negative battery terminal off first and then the positive. So black terminal, then red terminal, and opposite when you're putting the battery back in, red terminal, then black terminal. That keeps any arcs that would happen on the negative side so it doesn't arc back into a module and burn anything up.
Absolutely. You always want to arc it on the ground side. That way that jolt of electricity goes to the ground circuit of the car.
And the next question we have is, the next time we have a C8 in for service, while it's on the lift, if we can show where the two gas tanks are, because Corvettes have two gas tanks. So we have a C8 on the lift and we're going to show you where the gas tanks are.
Just so happens.
You cannot really see them. There's only one way really to see the tank. In this black cover right here, there's a small opening right here in the front. So you can see the black plastic if you look through there.
Shine a light up in there, you can see the black plastic tank right there. That's one. This is basically right behind the driver, just like they were in the C7s.
And then the same thing on this side behind where the passenger will sit.
Yep. That gives you equal weight distribution from side to side. Keeps the vehicle running true. All right. Since we stole Rick's vlog site, we also stole his viewer mail. So let's see what we have this week. We have something from Dan. It says, hello Rick, haven't talked in a while. My son and I continue to enjoy your YouTube channel and videos. Thank you for the support. And have a lot of respect and appreciation for the hard work you put into balancing your job and combining it with the YouTube for the customers and others to enjoy. Yeah, it's definitely a balancing act. It's truly a gift to be able to entertain people in the upbeat and fun manner that you always do. Your videos are always informative, educational for anyone who has questions about pretty much anything with a Corvette. With the Z06 approaching, oh yeah, I'm sure you're busier than ever. Oh yeah. We've decided to send you another one of the kringles from our hometown in Wisconsin. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a pleasure doing business with you before and can't wait to continue in the future. And down here in this little note, it says, look forward to getting the Z from the best vet salesman out there. Thanks, Dan. So let's open the box and see what a kringle is. Whoa. Look there, guys. It's an original OH Danish kringle. Whoa.
One for me and one for you.
One for me, one for you, yeah. Boy, Rick really missed out.
Well, hurry up and get it open before he comes down.
Yeah.
Yo, wait a minute.
Whoa.
Get out of here. We've got food and I've not been notified. I'm telling you I got food. Is that from Dan in Wisconsin?
Yeah.
It's for us. We did the vlog today.
No, I appreciate that. That's all right. Let me just take.
Hey.
Give me some of that. You want some? You better get it. I got my own.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh my God, this is really good. Thank you, Dan. Did you get one?
Yeah, I got no what you think. Yeah, that's delicious. Oh my goodness.
I got the rest.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We gotta go. We'll send you now to your beautiful ride. See you next time.
Pretty good, huh? Not for him to look.
No, I'm talking about it. Fuck people don't love it.
If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I